Hi all. You have a lot of Twister accounts. You want to use this account for interaction, actions, messaging, and engaging in various activities on the platform. I'll explain how to do it. I have a tool for you to help you control many Twister accounts. I manage about 40 accounts. With my tool, I can use every feature available on Twister, including interactions, following, community features, and other options such as updating information, and also commenting, posting, messaging, everything. All features of the Twister platform are available in my software. This is a helpful tool. If you want to use the software for account interactions, you will need to set up scenarios related to interactions for me. For instance, when I set up interaction scenarios, you will have parameters to configure, and these settings will depend on your requests. You can set these numbers however you want, no problem. If you need it to prepare comments or anything else and save the script, I have set up my interaction script here with 2 scenarios included. Now I will pick the right scenario. Now I will proceed to the next step, which is to select accounts. For instance, I want 10 accounts to work at the same time. Then I will start the accounts, and you can check. When I ask for 10 accounts to run together, you will see 10 different tabs open. Each tab will be a separate account operating independently with no connection to one another. And all these accounts will operate like real users to interact, log in, and function. According to the script I wanted, I have established a few scenarios here in advance, as I requested, for these accounts to engage in activities. And when reading the notifications, these accounts will operate similarly. You can observe my scenarios during their operation. These accounts will log in automatically and begin their tasks. As they operate, notifications will be sent directly via this software. As long as the accounts are active, there will be notifications regarding the status of each account, continuing until they cease operation. This account is now starting to engage, for example. Look, check this out. You can create multiple different scenarios for me for each account. You can request it to execute multiple actions in one go like this, to make your accounts work continuously or until you stop using it.